Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a copy of a worksheet in Excel. Duplicating sheets can be useful for making backup copies or creating templates. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your workbook and select the worksheet you want to copy. I will select Sheet 1. Then right-click on the Worksheet tab. From the context menu, select Move or Copy. In the dialog box, check the Create a Copy checkbox and select the location where you want the copy to be placed. I will select Move to End as the location. Click OK to create the copy. Alternatively, you can use the drag and drop method. Select the worksheet and hold down the Control key. Drag the Worksheet tab to the desired location while holding the Control key. You'll see a small plus sign indicating a copy will be made. Release the mouse button to create the copy. To recap, you can create a copy of a worksheet using the right-click context menu or the drag and drop method. This is handy for making duplicates of important sheets. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.